What's up, my name is TechNobo here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to fix this DLL missing error that you could be receiving whenever you're trying to fire up a game or a program or do something specific on your computer. If you see this error, don't worry, nothing bad is happening. All that's gone wrong is that your computer's missing a specific DLL file or it's become corrupt or unreachable for some other reason. These files are needed as they contain bits of code that programs use. Without them, they can't function properly. And these DLL files are distributed by Microsoft themselves through official installers. So if you've come across a video telling you to download DLLs, you definitely shouldn't follow them. You should always get the official installer from the official source to get the DLLs in them. Anyways, with that warning out of the way, let's go ahead and download the installer to fix this error. I'll open up the link in a browser. You'll find it in the description down below. You should see a page that looks something like this. Simply scroll down and click the orange download button. Then tick the box up here to download both of these files, or check them both separately and click next. Then if your browser prompts you that you're downloading multiple files, click allow and wait for both of these files to download. Then you can open one of these. It doesn't matter which one first, just open one of them. When it opens up, you'll see a window like this. Click agree and then install. Then click yes when prompted for admin. Wait for the installation to complete, and then click Close. Then reopen your browser, head back to your downloads with Ctrl-J or clicking a button, and open up the other one here. In my case, I opened 64 first, so I'll open 86 now. Then click that you agree, install, yes. Wait for the installation to complete, and close. It's that simple. You should be able to open up programs and games and use them immediately if they were giving you errors. However, if you're still receiving an error, try rebooting your computer and then try the applications once more. If you're still receiving errors, hit the Start button on your keyboard, then we'll be searching for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and then click Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted for admin, and inside of this window over here, type in SFC /scan now, one word. Hit Enter, and Windows will begin to check through its own files for any issues and errors. If it encounters a broken file, something that's missing, etc., it'll be downloaded from Microsoft's official website or brought from elsewhere on your computer to repair the missing files, folders, etc. At the end of this process, you'll be told if it's successful or not. And there we go. You can see mine ran properly without finding any issues. However, if it found issues, it'll tell you here and tell you if it repaired them. Anyways, that's about it for this quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!